Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be using a pivot table in Excel from Mac. Um, and we're going to play around with that for a little bit. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight the information. So we're going to click anywhere in the data in Excel. As you can see, it's all labeled and lined up for me. So click anywhere, and on Mac you're going to click Command A, highlight everything that's within the data, within the sheet. And then we're going to go up here to the data ribbon. Click on data. We're going to go down to pivot table. Now what Excel does is it'll create a new sheet. It'll put the pivot table in there and open up pivot table builder. So if we want to fine tune the pivot table, we're going to go over here to the pivot table builder, and first thing we want to do is we want to get rid of city. Today we're going to be doing the average sales price per square foot by state. And so we're going to keep state highlighted in the pivot table builder. We're going to keep that checked. And then we're going to go down to sales price per square foot. We're going to highlight that. So as you can see, it showed up on the pivot table. Now we want to get rid of this sum of square footage. So we're going to uncheck that. So it leaves us only with the sum of the square foot, or sum of sales price per square foot and the state. Now we want to get the average of the sales price per square foot. So we're going to change it from sum to average. So we're going to click on the little I in the pivot table builder next to the sum of sales price. And then we're going to go down to average. We're going to highlight that. And we're going to click OK. Averages it out and gives us a grand total of $480.05. But again, we can still see this is actually supposed to be currency. So again, we're going to go back in here under the I, under the next to the average sales price, and we're going to click number. And we're going to go down to currency. We're going to label it with the currency label. We're going to click OK, and then OK again. And as you can see, Excel automatically converts it and puts the currency label in front of all the numbers. Okay. And so now we fine-tune our pivot table using the pivot table builder to show us by state the average sales price per square foot and give us a grand total of all of them combined. Okay. So thank you very much.